Hello students. In this video we are going to study Arabic alphabets through English in a very easy way. These are the alphabets you are seeing on the screen. It's very easy. Let's start. The first letter is Alif. Its sound is A sound. The Ba has a B sound. Ba. Then Ta. Then Ba. Ba has a B sound. Then Ta has a T sound. Ta. Sa has a S sound. Alif, Ba, Ta, Sa. Now next letter is Jim, Ha, Kha. These three letters are same but different in positions of points. Okay. So Jim, Ha, Kha. You are seeing these three are little bit same but different in position of the point. Jim, Ha, Kha. Jim has a J sound. Ha has a H sound. Ha. Kha has a K sound. K. Kha. Okay. Jim, Ha, Kha. The next is Dal, Za, Ra, Za. So Dal has a Da sound. Zal has a Da. The Za sound. Za. Ra has a R sound. Ra. Za has a Z sound. Za. Okay. Dal, Zal, Ra, Za. Repeat once again. Dal, Zal. These two letters are a little bit same, but the first Dal has didn't point. Different in position of point. And the next one, Ra and Za. Ra and Za are same but different in position of point. Ra didn't have point. Za has a point. Ra, Za, Dal, Zal, Ra, Za. Let's read the next alphabet. Next is Sin, Sheen, Sod, Lod. The Sin and Sheen. It has a Sin has a S sound. Sa. Sheen has a Sh sound. Sh. So Sin, Sheen. These two letters are same. But Sin didn't have points and Sheen has points. So Sin, Sheen. Next is Sod, Dot. Sod didn't have point once again and Dot have 1 point. Sod, Dot. Next alphabets are Ta, Za, Ain, Ghain, Ta and Za. In the previous one we already learned one. The first one didn't have point and the second one has points. So that's the same here. The Ta didn't have any point and Za has 1 point. The Ta has a T sound once again and Za has a Z sound. D and Z, the. This sound. Ain has a I sound. Ghain has a G sound. G. Okay. Ta, Za, Ain, Ghain. So you have to remember these 4 letters as by points. Keep remember this. Let's read the next alphabet. The next letters are Fa, Qaf, Kaf. Fa has 1 point and Qaf has a 2 points. Fa has a F sound. Fa. And Qaf has a Q sound. Qa. And Kaf has a very light sound. Kaf, K sound. Fa, Qaf, Kaf. Fa, Qaf, Kaf. Qaf and Kaf. Qaf has a Q sound. Kaf has K sound. It's very light and it's very bold. Okay. So Qaf has a bold sound. Q. And Kaf has a light sound. Ka. Fa, Qaf, Kaf. Let's read the next. The next alphabets are Lam, Mim, Noon. In English, we are learning L, M, N. This is the same. Lam, Mim, Noon. Lam has a L sound. La. Mim has an M sound. M. Noon has an N sound. N. Okay? So Lam, Mim, noon. Just like in our English. L, M, N. The sequence are also same, so it will easy to remember. L, M, N. Lam, mim, noon. Let's read the next alphabet. Next alphabets are ha, wow, ya. Just like ha has a H sound, ha. Wow has a W sound, wow, wow. Ya has a Y sound, ya. It will be easy to remember W and H and Y, H, W, Y. Ha, wow, ya. Ya, it's coming in the last in English and W is also coming in the last in English. So it will be easy to remember W and Y. Ha, wow, ya. Repeat once again. Ha, wow, and ya. Let's read once again all the Arabic alphabet. Let's read once again all the Arabic alphabets. Alif, Ba, Ta, Sa, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Zal, Ra, Za, Sin, Shin, Sad, Dod, Ta, Za, Ain, Ghain, Fa, Qaf, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Noon, Waw, Ha, Lam Alif, Hamza, Ya. Lam Alif and Hamza, these are the another alphabet. Lam Alif is nothing but Alif and Lam. It is two-letter alphabet. We will learn in the next video for continue. So, for learning two-letter alphabets, watch my another video. Okay. If you like this video, please subscribe and like the video. Thank you. Bye-bye.